सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 408। किमपि सततबोधं केवलानन्दरूपम् निरुपममतिवेलं नित्यमुक्तं निरीहम् निरवधि गगनाभं निष्कलं निर्विकल्पम् हृदि कलयति विद्वान् ब्रह्मपूर्णं समाधौ। Shankaracharya has pointed out the mind is the cause for this creation or for this samsara. Our own mental modifications give the reality to the objective world. A mind that which has got anatma bhava means that mind endowed with the notion all these nama rupas are real, that is ignorant mind. Jnani also has got mind, but in that mind, what type of thoughts he entertains? He also entertains the thoughts. These nama rupas, all names and forms are mithya. They are not real. They are nothing but Brahman alone in different manifestation. That is the difference between Jnani mind and Ajnani mind. Ajnani mind gives reality to the nama rupa. Jnani mind take away the reality from nama rupa. Once I give reality to this nama rupa, whatever fluctuation take place in the nama rupa, sukha, dukkha, I give reality to them also. See that consequence. Once I give the reality to the nama rupa, that nama rupa caused sukha dukkha also are real or unreal? Real. Once I give reality to nama rupa, and that sukha dukkha are real, and my suffering is also real. And my cry also real. So all will become real. That is why a jnani who sees the unreality in nama rupa, the nama rupa caused sukha dukkha also he sees as unreal. That nama rupa caused sukha dukkha caused sorrow is also unreal for Jnani. This is the part for ordinary person. Worldly person say, what is this? Immediately ask, this is part. Nama, Rupa gives reality. And later it leads to what? It may break at any time. It is very small pot. It can hold only little water. Like all these attributes I give to this pot. This is one type of mind. You see the another person, he never sees the pot. This pot is a temporary name given to the clay. There is no pot, nama, rupa, vacharambhanam, only verbal lip movement. There is no reality in this. So, the nama rupa is unreal. There is only clay only. Once nama rupa are unreal, the attributes belong to that, limitations belong to this pot are also unreal. Therefore, even it is disappear the form, the clay will remain and another person. He is happy, but the other person unhappy. This is what samsara. Simple, but assimilation is difficult. Words are simple. Sa kimapi satata bodham kevalananda rupam. Once I understand this, this is called satata bodham, the knowledge. Kimapi satata bodham, what remains na? Kevala ananda rupam. Kevala ananda means only Ananda Swarupam, nothing else. That's why Atma ka another pair in Anandam Swarupam. Anandam. Non-fluctuating consciousness. Ada Kimapi Satata Bodham Kevalananda Rupam, nature of Ananda, free from finitude, free from limitations. Nirupamam. Nirupamam means na vidyate upama. Yasya tat. There is no second thing to compare with this Atma. I, the consciousness. As RC, Chidabhasa, Ahankara, Nama, Rupa, there are so many things to compare. But as OC, can I compare with your OC and my OC, her OC, his OC? Original consciousness. OC means original consciousness. Can I compare? Because that OC is I am. Your I am, my I am is one and the same. Can you compare your I am and my I am? Different I ams are there. And the I am, no difference, no gradation, no fluctuation, no disparity. Where is disparity? Cross the OC and enter into RC, RM, reflected medium. Infinite comparisons, infinite disparities, all will come. So therefore, Nirupamam. I, the Ananda Swarupa, is secondless, comparisonless. Ati Velam. Vela means boundary, I said. Ati Velam means limitless, beyond boundary or boundaryless. Desha Kala Vastu Paricheda Sunyam. That is the consciousness which cannot be limited by the space or time. Beyond space, beyond time. How to understand? This is very technical. Desha Kala. In sleep, in deep sleep, you do not know where you are sleeping. However much happily you arrange the bed nicely, Once you go to sleep, do you remember about your space where you are sleeping? Time you remember? Until you go to sleep, you see the watch, 11. That's all. Once you go to sleep, 11:05, 11:10, 11:30, 12, 1, 2. Where this time has gone? You have swallowed the time. Kala is not there. Desha is not there. Which street you are, in which state you are, nothing is there in the mind. That means in deep sleep, are we free from Desha, Kala or not? We are free. Who is not free? Tell me. In deep sleep, who is not free from Desha, Kala? Everyone is free. I am telling in deep sleep. Deep sleep, everyone is free from the limitation of space, time. And the Ativela. So Brahman, something beyond, somewhere beyond time and space. The consciousness is beyond the time and space. Ever. All the time. Nitya Muktam. Ever free. Ever free. That is, Nityam is very important. Ever free means what? If suppose I become free on so and so time, so I become a Muktaha. That means what? I was not Mukta, now I have become Mukta. Again that Mukti may go away. Whatever come will go. Therefore, a coming Mukti, becoming Jivan Mukta angirade kadiyadu. This is another very interesting thing. When I will become Jivan Mukta, you will never become Jivan Mukta. Suppose you become, underline, become Jivan Mukta, you will unbecome also. Nanu Muktana aita. Another Muktana illa ippu Muktana aita. And the one that then three four the chances wind. So what Shastra says, Nitya Muktam, you are ever free. I am Jivan Muktahan Cholramitane, I became Jivan Mukta angirde kadiyadu. Nan Jivan Muktan aite annadu kuda tappudam. And the statement kuda tappudam. Anna ஆகிறது ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. நான் ஜீவன் முக்தனுதா అని தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது தான் இருக்கே தவிர அதுக்கு தான் ஞானம் అని சொன்னோம். ஆத்ம ஞானம் అని சொன்னோம். So therefore nitya muktam niriham. Niriham means iha means desire, action, ichha, shakti. Or here niriham means ichha rahitam, desireless, actionless. I am free from, I am nishkriyaha. Niravadhi gaganabham. I am free from or equal to akasha. Gaganabham means, gagana means akasha. Abham means tulyam. I am equal to the space. Gaganabham. Why? How? In what form I am equal to the space? Because I am asangaha, untainted by anything like the space. I am all pervading like space. Encompassing everything in me like this space. I am divisionless like space. Akhandaha, asangaha, sarvagataha. These are all the attributes of space. I am also same. But don't compare more than that. அப்போ ஆகாசம் ஒன்று இருக்க சுவாமி நானும் ஆத்மா ஆகாசம் ஒன்று தானே అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. And one feature, uncommon feature is Atma is Jaha. It has birth. I am birthless. Niriham niravadhi gaganabham. Niravadhi means avadhi rahitam. Avadhi means sima, boundaryless. Just as the space is beyond boundary, niravadhi. That's why Tyagaraja sang the Kirtana, Niravadhi Sukhada. Thus, Rama is the one who gives the limitless, avadhiless, limitless Ananda, Sukhada. The one who gives, the giver of happiness, Sukham, that which is limitless. Niravadhi Gaganabham Nishkalam. Partless. Kala means part. That's why Chandra Kala we call. The moon have digits, parts. Kala. Nishkala means partless. Nirvikalpam. Vikalpam means divisions, different divisions. Partless and I am attributeless. Nishkalam, nirvikalpam. Like this, who understands? Vidwan. Purnam samadhau hridi. Vidwan purnam samadhau hridi kalayati. Wise person, Vidwan, samadhau, in the samadhi, in the hridaya, hridayakashatil, Brahma kalayati, he discovers the Brahman. Brahman, he discovers, kalayati. Shravana manana dwara, Brahma kalayati. When? By consistent listening of Shastra from a competent teacher. This is possible only by consistent, systematic study of scriptures, study of Vedantic scriptures under a competent, alive Acharya. Then alone this jnanam is possible. Swami Paramarthanandaji's statement this is. So, for all of you by-hearted, no? Kantastham. என்ன ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும், எதுக்காக வேதாந்த கிளாஸுக்கு போகிறேன், என்ன ஞாபகம் இருக்கணுமோ வேண்டாமோ, சிஸ்டமேட்டிக் ஸ்டடி இல்லைன்னா வராது. அது வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, श्लोका नंबर 409. प्रकृति विकृति शून्यं भावनातीत भावम् समरसमसमानं मानसंबंध दूरम् निगमवचन सिद्धं नित्यमस्मत् प्रसिद्धम् हृदि कलयति विद्वान् ब्रह्मपूर्णं समाधौ. Beautiful shlokas for Nididhyasana. Shankaracharya says how a wise person look at himself or herself. A wise person. Wise person means a jnani. Having done length of time shravanam, having done length of time mananam, and having done nididhyasanam, samadhi abhyasa, length of time sufficiently, and remaining as Atma Swarupam and interacting with the world, doing his duties. It is beauty to see such a person, how the sthita prajna lakshanas. Yesterday we saw ka bhasha, kim vrajet, katham, all these things. He understands this, no? He remains in that Purna Brahma. What type of Brahman? He discovers in his Hridaya Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam. Brahman has neither cause nor effect. Prakriti Vikriti means cause and effect. Prakriti means cause, Vikriti means effect. Brahman is neither cause nor effect. Karya Karana Vilakshanam. Different from cause-effect relation. But some places, no, this Brahman is the cause, we say, Upadana Karanam, Nimitta Karanam. Here, Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam, he says, contradictory statements. How can you say? Even Brahma Sutra tells, Janmadyasya yataha, from whom the whole Jagat has come, the birth has taken place. That means he is the cause. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha karanam. How can you say Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam? Happily we can say that is also right, this is also right. How both can be right? Possible. That's what we have to understand. What we say, unreal world is born. Jagat Srishti has taken place. What? Unreal world is born. Poyyana ulaham, no, has taken birth. Like that we can say. Or when we say there is neither cause nor effect, and world is not born really. அதே சென்டென்ஸ் திருப்பி திருப்பி போடுறோம் பாருங்க. World is not born really. Unreal world is born. World is born apparently. என்ன அர்த்தம்? World is born apparently means world is not born an artham. World is born unreally is equal to one world is not born really. World is born unreally, seemingly, apparently is equal to world is not born really. That is why these statements of Advaita are very, very difficult to grasp, to swallow for many people, for many philosophers and many systems of philosophy. There only we call it as Maya. Therefore, for example, when I see the rope, I see the snake also. Snake is born. Snake is born. I am seeing semi-darkness. Enna paakren? Paambu. Snake is born unreally. Snake is born. கொஞ்சம் நேரம் அப்படி பாம்பு மாதிரி இருக்கு, ஸ்னேக் மாதிரி. Snake is born, but unreally. Snake is not born really. எப்படி சொன்னாலும் ஒண்ணுதான். Why? Once I know that is a rope, what will happen to that snake? அங்கே ஸ்னேக்கே இல்லை. இங்கே நம்ம மனசில் இருக்கிற ஸ்னேக்கு தான் டிஸப்பியர். வாட் நம்ம மனசில் ஸ்னேக்கு? பிரம்மா, பிராந்தி. That is called Maya. Seeming snake, no? Unreal snake, as though born, as though disappear. Beautiful example. இந்த ரோப் ரஜ்ஜு சர்ப்ப எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சுட்டு ஹோல் வேதாந்தா பூந்து விளையாட்டு தான் டீச்சருக்கு. Shankaracharya, in many places he uses this example. Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam, that is the meaning now. Next word. Vidwan recognize, discover this Atma as cause effectless. The Atma is neither cause nor the effect. Next, second one, Bhavanatita Bhavam. Bhavana means concept. And another bhavam is there. Bhavana atita means beyond concept, beyond conception. And atitam means beyond. Bhavanatitam, bhavam means nature, unconceivable nature. Vidwan recognize, discover the Atma in his own Hridayam as it is an unconceivable, and he recognizes. Achintyam ityartha, unthinkable, unconceptualized. Spelling it agrar. Unconceptualized. Concept, conceptualized. Annamacharya sang one, Bhavamulona, Bhavamulona, Bahyamunandunu, Govinda, Govinda. Enge, Bhavamulona, Bahyamunandana. Internally, externally, Govinda. Bhavamulona. But in Brahman vande, Bhavattukku Athitam. Yenna, அவர் தானே அந்த கோவிந்தா, தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். வேர் இஸ் பாஹ்ய அந்த? வேர் இஸ் பாஹ்யம் அந்தம்? ஸோ த கோவிந்தா நாம ரூபா யூ கிவ், தெர் இஸ் எக்ஸ்டர்னல், இன்டர்னல். த கோவிந்தா ஹூ இஸ் இன் வைகுண்டா இஸ் இன் மை ஹார்ட் ஹூ இஸ் கோவிந்தா இஸ் அவுட் சைட். பாவமுலோனா பாஹ்யமுனந்தன். என்னுடைய மனசில் அவர் தான் இருக்கார், வெளியிலும் அவர் தான் இருக்கார். இதெல்லாம் பாடுறதுக்கு நல்லா அழகாக இருக்கும். பாட்டை பாடுறதுக்கு யூ கேன் என்ஜாய். பட் வென் யூ கம் டு வேதாந்த ஃபிலாசபி, பாவனா தீதம் பாவம். தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், தேர்ட் ஒன், சமரசம். சமரசம்னா with same, harmonious. Samarasam. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shunichaiva Swapakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha. A wise person sees the evenness, equanimity, only Atma, Ekam, Samarasam, Atma Swarupam, which is uniform and harmonious. Then Samarasam, then next one, Asamanam. Asamanam means na vidyate samanam yasya saha, yasya tat. Asadrisham artha, incomparable. Incomparable. Asadrisham. Sadrisham, there is sadrishama, innonu thing compare பண்ணலாம். இப்படி இருக்கு, அது அப்படி இருக்கு. You can see, compare. See, her face is like a moon. என்னென்ன அர்த்தம்? Comparison. Sadrisham. Simho Manavakaha. Lion. This boy is like a lion. Punjab Kesari. இப்போ கேசரி லயன் மாதிரி இருப்பான்னா சதிருஷம், கம்பேரிசன். But Brahman is one, you cannot compare. Therefore, he says asamanam, asadrisham in artham, incomparable. Next one, mana sambandha duram. What type of atma see his nature? Whose lakshanams are all these characteristics? இப்படி சொல்லணும், நான் தான் என்னோட நேச்சர் தான் ஆனந்தமா சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ? அப்படி சொல்லாமலே பாவம் ஆத்மா ஆல் பர்வேடிங்க. See, people show outside ஆத்மா இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங். I am only all pervading ன்னு சொல்லணும். அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோ? வரும். எப்போ வரும்னா கன்சிஸ்டண்ட்டாக கேட்டால் தான் வரும் கிளாஸுக்கு வந்தா. மான சம்பந்த தூரம் பியாண்ட். சம்பந்த மீன்ஸ் கான்டாக்ட், தூரம் மீன்ஸ் பியாண்ட், மானம் மீன்ஸ் பிரமாணம். இட்ஸ் பியாண்ட் an instrument to recognize. You through something you cannot recognize. Using like kannadi vechittu na book paakren, something I use and see that. I keeping some earphones listening the music, keeping something in the hand getting that. Like that, can you use something to get atma, including samadhi meditation? Ingir samadhi and dwelling upon the teaching. Understand, absorption. Not yogic samadhi we are talking. Nirvikalpaka samadhi, nirbija samadhi, adella nama pesale. And the samadhi mulama you get only absorption, blankness. But nothing, jnanam will not take place. Here you cannot use, it is beyond the access of instrument, means you can never make the atma as object. Ityartha aprameyam, that is the meaning. Prameyam means object. Anything you can make an object. I can see this, that so many things I can see, except one thing in this universe. In Keno Upanishad Vaisa, there are certain objects come under known, certain objects come under unknown. Known and unknown list. Yedi potalum known unknown list. Whereas this Atma will not come under known list or unknown list. Beautiful mantra. It is neither known nor unknown. But enna theriyum theriyadu anu sollitaan. I know and I don't know. Beautiful answer that is. That is why mana pramana சம்பந்தம். அதுக்கு கான்டாக்டே பண்ண முடியாது. எதை வச்சு கான்டாக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்புறமேயும் ஆப்ஜெக்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியாது. ஏன்? சப்ஜெக்ட் கேன் நெவர் பி ஆப்ஜெக்டிஃபைடு. Subject can never be objectified. You will not get this type of teaching anywhere. Viveka Chudaman is the unique text. Whole Vedanta comes in this. Beautiful, no? Objectified thing can never be objectifier. When I am objectifying, what is my name? I am objectifier. Objectifier can never be objectified. Nalla eludhukonga. Objectifier, so I am seeing this watch is an object. I am seeing the object. What is my name? Objectifier. Objectifier na endha fire eduthukodungo. Objectifier நம்ம English. Objectifier can never be objectified. Clear? Objectifier can never be objectified. That's why you can never get your phone number. எல்லா ஃபோன் நம்பர் அடிச்சுட்டே இருப்போம் காலையிலேருந்து நைட் வரைக்கும். ட்ரை யுவர் நம்பர் அண்ணா, அது மட்டும் வராதுண்ணா. அதே மாதிரி தான். தென் அஸ்மத் தூரம், அஸ்மத் நெக்ஸ்ட் வரைக்கும் மான சம்பந்த தூரம் Next one, Nigama Vachana Siddham. Nigama Vachana means Shastra Pramanam. Nigama means Shastra, Vachana means statements, Mahavakya. Prajnanam Brahma, Tattvamasi Shvetaketo, Aham Brahmasmi, Ekameva Dvitiyam, like Mahavakya statements. Nigama Vachana Siddham, it can be accomplished. You can get this knowledge through the Shruti Vakyams, statements. Nigama Vachana Siddham. And another, you study. Morning one lady is telling, Swamini, many people want to see God. நம்ம நாட்டில் நிறைய பேர் பகவான் பார்க்கணுமா, பகவான் பார்க்கணும்னா பகவத்கீதை படிக்கணும், உபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும், நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. பகவான் பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸ் பண்ண பகவான் எப்படி பார்க்க முடியும்? பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸ்க்கு வந்து பகவான் பார்க்க முடியாதுன்னு தான் சொல்கிறோம். That's why they don't come to the class. பகவான் பார்க்க முடியாதுன்னு சொன்னால் எதுக்காக கிளாஸுக்கு? என்ன கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா பார்க்க வேண்டாமோ? அரே பார்க்க முடியாதம்மா. ஏன்? அவர் he is not different from you. That's why people cannot swallow this. And the trip, janmas and janmas, they waste their life. என்ன பண்ணுறது? பாவம் விட்டுட்டு ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த்ன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டியதான். That's why Shastra alone gives Jnanam. That Shastra also to study, you have to study with commitment. இங்கே தகராறு, அங்கே ஒரு தகராறு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பில். இப்போ சாஸ்திரத்துக்கே வரமாட்டேன் சில பேர். வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் சரியாக ஒழுங்காக படிப்பானா அது கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இட் இஸ் அபோவ் ஹெட், புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது చెప్పి தே வில் எஸ்கேப் ஃப்ரம் த சாஸ்திரா. செகண்ட் அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பு ஒரு அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட் திங். செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்பில் சம் பீப்புள் ஃபெயில். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்ச நாள் படித்து அதுக்கப்புறம் ஏதோ பேட் பிராரப்தா தே வில் டிஸ்கண்டின்யூ. அது தேர்ட் திங். இங்கே ஃபோர்த்லி சம் பீப்புள் கம் அண்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், కానీ டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷனே வராது. ஏன்னா தே ஆர் நாட் குவாலிஃபைடு, not having proper chitta shuddhi, not having proper sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. பாருங்க எத்தனை தடங்கள், how many obstacles are there, and crossing all these, and if you get jnana, it is a wonder. Ascharyo vakta kushalosya labdha ascharyo gnata kushalanusishtaha. Wondero wonder. புரிஞ்சா, புரியலன்னா ஆச்சரியமே இல்லை. ஆமாம், தட்ஸ் வை வேதாந்த டீச்சர் ஸோ ரிலாக்ஸ்ட். வேதாந்த டீச்சர் இஸ் ஸோ ரிலாக்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஸோ காம். ఎందుకంటే யாருக்கும் புரிய போகிறது இல்லை. புரிஞ்சா யாருக்காவது வண்டர். சும்மா சொன்ன ஜோக்கா, யூ ஆர் ஆல் மெச்சூர், யூ ஆர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங், ஐ நோ தட் ஹவு யூ ஆர் பிரில்லியன்ட். சரி, நிகம வச்சன சித்தம். நித்யமஸ்தம் பிரசித்தம். அஸ்மத் பிரசித்தம். அஸ்மத் பிரசித்தம் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் எவிடென்ட். நித்யம், ஆல் த டைம். பிரசித்தம் மீன்ஸ் பாப்புலர், எவிடென்ட், வெரி கிளியர், கிறிஸ்டல் கிளியர் ஆஸ் அஸ்மத். அஸ்மத் சப்த ஐ சப்தம். ஐ யுஷ்மதன்னா யூ, அஸ்மதன்னா ஐ, அஹம் ஆவாம் வயம். அஸ்மத், அஸ்மத் பிரசித்தம். இட் இஸ் எவிடென்ட் ஆஸ் ஐ. ஐ ஆம், ஐ ஆம், ஐ ஆம். இட் இஸ் எவிடென்ட். சச் ஆத்மா, wonderful ஆத்மா. ஹிருதி கலயதி வித்வான் பிரம்ம பூர்ணம் சமாதௌ. சேம் as the previous verse. Now we'll go to the next shloka. अजरममरमस्तां भासवस्तुस्वरूपम् स्तिमितसलिलराशि प्रख्यमाख्याविहीनम् शमितगुणविकारम् शाश्वतं शान्तमेकम् हृदि कलयति विद्वान् ब्रह्मपूर्णं समाधौ The fourth line is same as previous verses. This shloka just lifted from Mandukya Upanishad. Not lifted, that essence of prapanchopashamam shantam shivam advaitam chaturtham manyante satma savigneyaha. That mantra paraphrased here in this shloka. Ajaram. This Vidwan discovers the Atma Swarupam, Turiya Atma, in his own heart. Yo vedanihitam guhayam paramebhyoman soshnate sarvan kama ansaha. Hridaya guhayam, ada hridi. In the intellect, in the hridayam. What type of Atma he discovers? Ajaram. Ajara means apakshaya rahitam. Jara means old age. It's a type of modifications, gradations. Declension ityartha. Asti jayate varthate viparinimate apakshiyate. Apakshay means declension. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் கால் போடாது, கை ஓடாது, பார்க்க முடியாது, ஒன்று எல்லாமே ஆல் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங் டவுன். அது அபக்ஷியம். தட் இஸ் ஷோஸ் இன் த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ். ஜரா. தட்ஸ் வை யமர தர்மராஜா வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் ஹி வில் சென்ட் தட் ஜராதேவி. நீ போயிட்டு வா முன்னாடி, நீ போய் நான் வரேன்னு சொல்லுன்னா. அதுக்குதான் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் வர வர நமக்கு என்னன்னா பயம். அவர் வரப்போறாரோ, அவர் வரப்போறாரோ. ஓல்ட் இஸ் எ சைன் ஆஃப். இதெல்லாம் சொல்லாதுங்க சுவாமினி, பயமா இருக்கேன். சில பேருக்கு இதெல்லாம் கேட்கறதுக்கே விருப்பம் இருக்காது. அது நல்ல நாளில் பண்ணா தேவி நவராத்திரி, அது ஃபெஸ்டிவல் டைம்ல எதுவுமே சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஜெனரலி தேசே சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் remembering all the time this is the only mangalam. Because I remember this, I know my real nature. I am ever immortal. Mrityu rahita atma swarupam I am. Mangalam. In remembering the Mrityu Devata, I disregard, I negate that I am immortal Atman. How Yamadharmaraja can come and take? Let him take this body which is mortal. See, on the other hand, when you remember Mrityu Devata, you are really remembering whom? Amritatva Swarupam. Is it not Mangalam? Auspicious. Ajaram. Then Amaram. Amaram means Nasharahitam. That's why Devata's name is called Amarargal. Temporary. Long life. Avangalukku long life. That's why Amarargal. That's why they say Amarnath. Per Amarnath. Amarnath nu per da சாஸ்வதமா இருப்பானா? அதுக்கு தான் ஏன் பேர் வைப்பார்னா அமர்நாத். அமர்நாத் என்னன்னா, யூ ஆர் த ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம், யூ ஆர் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் மரணம். அமர் நாத், யூ ஆர் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் டெத். புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமோ பேர் வச்சா? ஆனாலும் தெரியாது சில பேருக்கு. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அஸ்தா. அஸ்த ஆபாச. Here whole word, one word. Asta abhas. Astabhasa vastu swarupam. Asta abhasa vastu swarupam. A very beautiful word, very technical here. Asta abhasa swarupam means, asta means astamanam, chonnane sunset. Abhasa means all reflections. In whose nature all reflections are dissolved. Anartha. Asta abhasa reflection. All whole duality, Dvaitam. Abhasam enartha. All names and forms, duality, Dvaitam. Abhasam. Swarupam, whose nature is Asta Abhasam. Atma Swarupam is that in which all these names and forms are set. Set and sunset madri. Vannu ille anartham. Dissolved anartham. Asta means dissolved. Yasmin abhasaha vikalpaha astam. Yasmin tat astabhasam tat vastu. Vastu means that Atma Swarupam. Tat vastu cha tat Swarupam. That vastu means entity. Atma Swarupam is that entity in which all these reflections, abhasams, are like fake, maya, shadow, like these names and forms, dissolved. Second line. Stimita Salila Rashi. In a beautiful, poetic way. Grammar, poet, Kavya Madri. And Vedanta is included in that. Stimitam means Shantam. Stimita, Salilam means water. Rasi means heap. No? In the midst of ocean, rippleless, waveless, steady, calm. Atma Swarupam appadi irukuma. In the midst of ocean, so tranquility. That's why ship, it goes in the middle of the ocean, it will not have any fluctuation. Once it comes to the border banks, fluctuations. In the middle, you don't know. Even flight also. If you go to certain heights, asal poradha illiya flight and doubt varum. Because no fluctuation, no sound, nothing. Or the flight is moving or standing. I felt like that only. First time when I went by flight, I asked next student, my another colleague, flight is standing, I think. Where flight can stand in space? I felt like that. Adhe madri ocean also. Because there is real tranquility. அதுதான் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் கூட அப்படி இருக்கும் அர்த்தம். நிஸ்தரங்க ஜலராசி நிశ్చలం. Like that, Stimita Salila Rasi means Nistaranga Jalarasi. Taranga Rahita Jalarasi. You can understand. No? You are all now Sanskrit scholars, you will become. No, chinna words, easy paranga. Nistaranga means taranga rahitam. Taranga means alai. Alai illamal irukkiradhu. Rasi na jala rasi means water, huge place of water there. That water is free from steady as waveless ocean. Then Jalarasi Prakyam Akhyam Vihinam. Akhya Vihinam. It's a nameless. Rashihi is a comparable, just like that. Akhya means Nama. So to compare, Prakhya means to compare to something, it has no name and form. How can you compare? Compare பண்ணணும்னா பேர் இருக்கணும், நேம் இருக்கணும். Therefore, prakhya akhya vihinam. Vihina means without. Akhya means name. Prakhya means comparable. It has no name to compare. Therefore, it is nama rahitam. Nama rahitam. Next one, Shemita Guna Vikaram. Shemita means attributeless, in whom the forms Guna Vikaram means attributes, Vikarams, changing Vikarams, lot of modifications, Guna Vikarams, attributes, Shemitam means totally dissolved. That means Nirgunam ityartha. Nirgunam nirvikaratake Semita Gunavikaram. See the words, how he is putting. What we know, na Nirgunam, Atma Nirgunam, Gunarahitam. Here what he says, Shemita Gunavikaram. Shemita Gunavikaram, Shemita mana Shanta mind, in whom the all names are dissolved. Shemita Gunavikaram, Shashvatam Shantamekam. The attribute formless, Shashvata means beginningless. Anadi, Shashvatam. Shantam, modificationless. Ekam, secondless. I don't want to explain all these things because I have elaborately explained many times. Kalayati, discovers in his hridayam. Who? Vidwan, like you people, not Vidwan. You are all Vidwans, no? Na Vidwan, Sangeeta Vidwan, Anda Vidwan, Inda Vidwan, alla chulluvan. Adi madri, the one who knows, with means knows. Vidwan, the one who knows the Atma Swarupam in this manner. He is called Vidwan, he discovers. Next shloka. Samahitantah karanaswarupe vilokayatmanamakhanda-vaibhavam vichindi bandham bhavagandhaganditam yatnena pumstvam safalikurushva. So the previous fourth line I have not explained because I have already given the 3 lines. The same word has continued. Beautiful word. Now Shankaracharya says, may you think of your higher nature in this manner. Above said 3 shlokas. May you think of. Shankaracharya in the beginning one shloka he said, Manushyatvam Mumukshutvam Mahapurusha Samshrayaha Trayame Vaitad Durlabham Daivanugraha Hetukam. All these 3 are very rare to get. Therefore he says in this 4th line, you see, Yatnena Pumstvam Safali Kurushva. By effort, Yatnena, with effort, go to the class and read, write, listen again and again. Contemplate on that. Yatnena. என்னென்னமோ யத்னம் பண்றானே கானி இதுக்காக யத்னம் பண்றது இல்லையே யாருமே. குருஷ்வான, மே யூ டூ, மே யூ டூ. சஃபலீ குருஷ்வா, மே யூ கெட் சஃபலம் in the pumstvam safali kurushva. Hare, don't waste your human life. Why you are born? You are born here to get moksha, to liberate yourself from this samsara. That is the purpose of life. In the janmam safalam kuru. Make use of this life properly. Nityarthaha. Make use of this life properly. How you can do? Vichindi bandham. Bandham vichindi. Bandham means bondage. You break this. Vichindi means you break, you cut. Vichindi. No? Thoroughly, clearly. What that you have to destroy? Bhava gandha gandhitam. This samsara, bhava gandha, that smells, no? The samsara smell. You destroy, you break it and make use of this life. Don't waste. Make this life useful, make this life useful. And people are kondatam. See the busy 1 month and you can't walk in T Nagar. People are mad of this whole materialistic. How you can break in? Samahitantah karana swarupena vilokaya atmanam. Atmanam vilokaya. Vilokaya means invocation, recollection of the teaching. Like the cow chewing the cud. You chew the whole teaching. Enanamo chew pandra people. Atmaswarupam pati chintana panda kodadu. Akhanda vaibhavam. What you have to masticate, what you have to recollect. Akhanda vaibhavam. The glory of the limitless. Akhanda means divisionless. Vaibhavam means glory. Mayyeva sakalam jatam, mai sarvam pratishthitam, mai sarvam layam yati. Beautiful sloka. I am everything, from everything it comes, everything dissolves into me. Ada akhanda vaibhavam yasya atmanaha. Where did you see this? Samahita antahkarana swarupe. Engyo vedililla. Samahita, that mind which is very tranquil. Samahita means in a focused mind. Samadhau vartamanam. In a silent mind is capable of receiving the teaching. Silent mind. Not noisy mind. A mind which is doing noise inside. Ange ponu, inge ponu, shopping panu, adi paakanu, idi paakanu, class lo karinde, viveka chudamani. Mind running there. It is not a samahita chitta. Avaniki enna puriyum shastravanna. Single pointedness. Time is dead to me. In 1 hour, I do not know how it has gone. And the alavukku namakku concentration irundha, in the class itself you can say aham brahmasmi. No doubt in that. People are lacking ekagrata. Not a problem in the jnanam or teaching or learning. Assimilation. That's why he says samahita antakaranam, silent mind. So 100% mind anartham, the listening skill. Samadhi is nothing but making the mind available 100%. You can, I do not know, your mind is 100% is available in the, you only knows. So, bandham vichindi. May you break the relation. Anatma with pratibimba chaitanyam, sukshma shariram, sthula shariram, karana shariram. So, ahankara has got stinky, ahankara, aham iti mahamakara. This bad smell, give up. All problems. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om